Hello student, hello student, let's unlock Ijmb 2024. In this 2025, I have come up with an amazing package known as the Ijmb Study Pack 2025. Inside the study pack, we have amazing and interesting materials that will level you up for your upcoming examination, ranging from the AZ IUPAC nomenclature, a complete guide that will get you stand out when attempting organic chemistry. I have interesting past questions ranging from 2021, 2023 down to 2025 to 2024, and series of question and answer completely solved and explained level up to meet up your demand for 2025. Ijmb 2024 question, chemistry, physics, biology completely solved with full explanation to meet your requirement. It's a study pack. Also have past questions for you, series of past questions, and best, my note is made available for you, self-explanatory on mechanics ranging from measurement and dimension, motion, projectile motion, circular motion, momentum, work power and energy, gravitational field, elasticity, surface tension, fluid motion, vibrations and wave, Doppler effect. You will not love to miss out this amazing opportunity. So I encourage you to subscribe, check the description, and reach out to me to get your Ijmb 2025 study pack. Hello student, and if you are being blessed with this tutorial, please subscribe before I go ahead. I'm waiting. Okay, now let's dive in, and this is paper 2 organic chemistry, which is the most simplest and the most award giving chemistry exam between the paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 2 is having less time concentration, more marks have been awarded, and it's the most simplest to get through it. So this is question 1. Which type of intermolecular force hold molecules together in methyl bromide, butane, hexanol? Now, you've gone through the advert. The reason why this is the pack, and we are deriving the answers from the pack. The pack supplies you with answers and also supplies you with an explanation, which is going to be very rich in your wealth of knowledge to get you ready and level up for your examination. Please do well to subscribe, and also get the pack. Go to the description, get it as you've seen. So here's the answer. Methyl bromide, dipole to dipole interaction due to electronegative difference between carbon and bromine. Methyl bromide has permanent dipole moment. Let me explain. Bromide, methyl. Now, one is electronegative, and whenever there is an electronegative to electropositive, there is a strong attraction. So you get butane. You see London dispersion force, which is van der Waals force. Since butane is non-polar, when something is non-polar, it means it's simply, I would say, it's not electronegative. You get these are primarily intermolecular forces holding the molecules together. When something is polar, it is highly electronegative and it has attraction. So now hexanol, hydrogen bonding. This is the answer, and there's an explanation. The hydroxyl group in hexanol can form hydrogen bonds with other hexanol molecules. So you get, let me explain, dipole to dipole interaction. This presence of hydroxyl group also means there is dipole to dipole interaction. You get, these are the presence due to the large carbon chain in hexanol. I just hope this helps. If you have any other question, feel free to ask. You can join other students and level up and get yourself ready for the exam. You don't have to waste time, because I may not be having all the luxury of time to make videos for you. So just get direct, get the pack, and help yourself out. And I wish you the best in your upcoming exam. Remain blessed. Thank you.